One of my favorite learning opportunities is right after a big project or event, something that many folks call an after action meeting, usually framed around start, stop, continue. You go around the room, hopefully, everyone suggests a start, something for the group to consider, a stop, something for the group to avoid, continue, something beneficial that you want to encourage, which is important because sometimes the best things are taken for granted. So celebrate those so that they continue to be done. Outside of work, there's a twist I like better: roses, buds, and thorns. Start, stop, continue is tactical, but roses, buds, and thorns helps me understand how people feel about something as well as what they think we should do about it. So go around the room, and everyone has to offer two items, some combination of roses and buds and thorns with two rules. The first rule: at least one has to be a rose, something that you liked. Sometimes after a big project or a scout camp out, it might not be easy to pick something that you liked. Might have been tough. So this develops a great skill to force each of us to search for something that you're grateful for. There has to be a rose. A bud is like a start, something for us to think about in the future. A thorn is something you didn't like, kind of like a stop, but thorns phrase it around how it impacted you or how you felt about it, not just suggesting that we shouldn't do it anymore. That helps everyone understand your why, and that's important. The second rule is that weather cannot be a thorn. We use this in Scouts because we camp every month: rain, heat, cold, whatever. You can't control the weather, so it can't be a thorn. Your thorn might be that you didn't bring a raincoat or a warm jacket, and that's something you could learn from. So, this teaches us how to accept and adapt to things that we cannot control, which is a lesson that works in business and scouting. So, the next time you finish something big that you want to improve on, ask your team to share their roses, buds, and thorns. See you next Monday.